Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel on my first video. I hope you all are fine. Today I am showing you some different ideas of giant flowers. These are so beautiful and amazing as you can see. I also made tutorials of giant flowers especially for you. If you like any of them, take a screenshot and tell us for tutorial. You can also watch more videos about like this. You can ask any question about this video in our comment section. If you watch my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and notifications, and also share it to your friends and family. I will be back soon with a new video and new ideas. Stay blessed, stay happy. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz viewers.